Palmer, Alaska boat ramp. That little red boat, he went from far right way over to far left and just started backing up right in front of a big old boat.
Yeah, I was waiting
And the guy
patiently.
was waiting patiently to back in, and he just cut him off and backed in. I don't know what was up with that. White truck's doing pretty good. Some of them, I don't know why. Ooh, we got one in the wall over there.
I thought these guys might be professionals, but I was wrong about that. It's been fairly entertaining.
Yeah, the lane 4 has one into the wall. The trailer, he's backing up to get a boat, and I hope his truck didn't just hit the wall. The front of his truck, I think, just hit the wall.
This is a slow period, by the way.
Yeah, this is a slow period because, man, when you see them all lined up there, it's pretty comical. And then you see the ones hurrying, and it's bad. For the most part, we've seen some really, really good ones. And we've seen some really, really bad ones.
We've not awarded as many 10s as we thought we might when we first came down, though.
That's right. I only have awarded 110. That was last night.
I think we've chosen not the best time to do this. I don't see anybody else lined up right now.
Well, I thought that one over on the far right, I think they're waiting up top, waiting to back up. If I see it correctly. Okay, that one got off. He's gone. I don't know where that little John boat went a while ago.
It looked like a little bass tracker boat going out to sea.
I know. But he just turned around. I guess he decided he's going to wait till later because there was so many. Maybe he knew we were filming. He didn't want to get embarrassed.
Here comes one. The boat weighs 3 times what the pickup
Oh my
does.
goodness.
It's squatted down pretty good.
Oh, that truck is squatted. Bro, we're going to have to see that one.
Hope he has good brakes.
Yes, good brakes for sure. Because that's a pretty steep grade on the backup. We're only going to do this. Here it comes, that truck. Yep. He's over on the far. He's on number 5 lane. I hope he's not going into the wall. Looks like his truck's getting awfully close.
I will repeat, I'm very disappointed. I thought we'd have better backers than this.
Well, maybe some of them, this is their first year to have a boat. And they can't practice in the winter because it's ice and snow. So they only get to practice in the summer.
Shout out to my Lake 10 killer friends. They do a much better job than these people do.
Maybe I'll go to Lake Tenkiller sometime and watch their boat ramp then. Oh. Truck. Okay, we got one coming down. We got one leaving in 4. One's coming down in 2 to pick up a boat.
One's lining up on one.
One's lining up on one. That's the one that has the light truck with a heavy boat in one.
He's already cutting off us.
Well, he's got a... Tell him stay out of the weeds and stay out of the wall. Lane 1's, lane 2's coming to pick up a boat. He's real close to that wall. Oh, the trucks. He just cut the other way. And now he's going every which way.
He seemed to be prone to want to get close to that wall.
I know. That wall must have a magnet that's just drawing them to it. Lane 1's coming on back.
Overload guy's doing a good job.
Overload guys coming on back.
As long as his brakes hold, he's got it made.
Come on, brakes. Is somebody going to help him? Is somebody getting out? Yep, he's going to help himself. See how far. Nope, somebody's getting out. So I'll help him. Hope he don't unplug it right there. He unplugs it right there, it's on dry. Oh, that guy made it down in 5. 2's made it down. So they're both picking up. Uh-oh, 1. One has swapped drivers. We'll see if that guy, I don't know. No, that guy's coming back. I don't know. I'm making sure the plug's in. That was for my cousin Ronnie. The little things that can make it go bad. Okay. Well, he's handing him the stuff from the truck. Gotta get the jacket and the vest. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we're fixing to go back. No? Got his jacket. They gotta swap drivers. Or, I don't know who's gonna drive. Looks like 5 is cranking to get on the trailer. So he's about to pull up. Oh, no. That driver stayed on the 1. Let's see how he can back out. Because he's got to back it on up in the hard spot. So we'll see what he does. Lane 1. New driver.
Or the transmission.
Yeah, I did too, man. That was popped. Okay, he's backing it up. Doing a good job, young man. Okay, get in the water. I think Dad's driving the boat. And they're off. He dumped him off and away he goes.
Brakes held. We'll see if we can pull it out there later today.
Yes. Over on 5, they're still cranking. How long's it got to crank to get that boat up on there? That guy's missing his guy. He's got to go park and come back and get the guy. I don't know who's in lane 2. Somebody in lane 2's fixing to get on a trailer. I don't know where that is. Well, maybe it's lane 2 that's pulling. They got somebody pulling a boat up. I guess they're just pulling it up. There's 2 people, one on the front and one on the kind of the back side. They're pulling it up. this guy's gonna go pick up his.
Let's shut it down. Not much activity.
Yes.
Cancel out at the boat ramp.
That's it. That's a wrap at the Homer boat ramp.